Right, ladies.
Hello.
Good evening, Charlotte.
Hello.
Welcome, Sarah. How are you? Sam.
Hi.
Annette, how are you?
Fine, thanks.
4 farmers' daughters, yes?
Yes, indeed.
Cooking at home for a dinner party may sound somewhat glamorous, but cooking for 50 customers is a different level altogether. The most important thing is making sure that every customer pays for every plate that we send.
Yeah.
And if it's not right, I'm not going to send it.
Yeah.
Okay? I want to see a little bit of inbuilt standards. And if you're not happy with it, don't bring it to me. Because if you're not happy with it, how the fuck are the customers going to be happy with it?
Yeah, exactly.
Don't let me down, and more importantly, don't let yourselves down.
Yeah.
Yes?
Yeah.
Let's go. Right.
Keep the left fridge, yeah? You get the cover.
On order, 4 covers table 4, 4 crab mayonnaise, 4 fillet of beef, 4 chocolate fondant.
Yes, chef.
Thank you.
Are you taking that one, girls?
No. Excuse me. Are you doing that one, girls? You want to run it now?
No.
No. I'll tell you who's doing what. If I had to leave it to you to decide what's going on, trust me, yeah?
Yes, chef.
There'll be a fucking combine officer coming up the fucking Thames by the time you get out. Trust me, I'll tell you what to do.
Okay.
Okay?
Tonight's meal kicks off with crab rolls with a mango salsa, the perfect summer starter.
Quickly, ladies, please, yes? Make sure they roll them nice and tight, OK? I don't want them all bursting everywhere, OK? Right. For some bizarre reason, I don't know why, but yours looks terrible, yeah? Not nice at all, yeah?
Chef.
But they're not even closed up. Take them back, please, yeah? And start again, yes?
Yes, chef.
Yeah, Sarah. You gotta, let me show you one again, look. Fresh picked crab meat, yes?
Yes.
It's nicely chilled. Little touch of chilli, touch of shallot, and then a touch of mustard and mayonnaise. Mix that in. Good. Now, roll it nice and tightly, yes? The idea is to sort of, almost like a spring roll, yeah?
Yes, chef.
Something nice and neat that you can pick up with their fingers.
Then you get your mango salsa, which combines mango, chili, red onion, lime juice, and mint leaves.
Just a cutter in there, just to keep it nice and sort of positioned. And then we can sit sort of one roll. Don't squash it madly, just down nicely. Now, there we go, yeah? If that's all open, look, that one goes, they pick up that there, you know,
Yes,
look,
chef.
that's what's going to
Yes,
happen.
chef.
Yeah, come on, let's go. Come on, ladies, this is fantastically simple. So something that's simple has to be perfect when we go out, yes?
Yes, chef.
Thank you. Annette, are you happy with those? Annette?
Yes, chef.
Yeah, would you pay for them?
Yes, chef.
Yeah, so would I. Let's go. Table 4, please.
Oui.
Jean-Baptiste.
Hey, Gordon.
OK, what was the feedback?
It went very well.
It went very well.
48 people are paying for the starter.
48?
It's
That's fantastic news.
Yeah, fantastic news.
Fantastic news. 48?
Yeah. So 2 non-payers.
Only 2 customers refused to pay for the starters?
Yeah.
Well done.
Yes, chef.
Well done. Now, don't fuck up the main course, yes?
No,
50 out of 50 for the main course. OK?
Good,
OK?
chef.
Yeah?